If you don't like paying for clicks but still want traffic, then check out my 4 for free system. Hey there, affiliate marketers. Imagine getting 500 plus clicks daily without spending a dime. Sounds too good to be true, though. Well, it's not. Introducing my 4 for free system. 4 incredible programs, zero cost, massive traffic. First up, Infinity Traffic Boost. Earn traffic while you surf. Super simple, super effective. Next, Leads Leap. This isn't just traffic, it's quality leads. Get seen by the right audience. Third, the Cash Juice Plan. Engage with the community, share your links, and watch the clicks roll in. And finally, iCoin Protocol. Leverage the power of cryptocurrency to drive traffic. It's cutting edge and it's free. So if you're ready for a flood of free traffic, like, subscribe, share, and comment. And if you want to join me on this exact traffic plan, head over to Keep Slamming Traffic online. Let's get those clicks rolling in today.